Thank you. You know, with all the recent rain, you may be wondering how to protect your home from damage.
RJ Jarvis breaking down the ways to waterproof your basement in this News 5 original.
It's been a busy couple of weeks for the team at J.D. Johnson Waterproofing.
We are probably averaging 30 to 40 phone calls per day for estimates, wanting somebody to come out, diagnose their water issues.
Blame it on the rain, says co-owner and president Rusty Johnson. And without the proper precautions, water can seep into your basement and cause a lot of damage.
First step is there water in your basement?
The next step, choosing from different types of waterproofing. From the inside, contractors will install a pipe beneath the basement floor and put a plastic shield on the wall. That directs water to the newly installed pipe.
That pipe is connected to a sump pump, which is the lowest point in the basement. And once the water level rises so high in the sump pump well, then the pump kicks on, removes the water, and puts it into the storm system that's outside.
Or you can tackle the problem from the outside. Crews dig all the way down to the footer or base of the home and put a pipe down that flows out to the street. Then they install a synthetic wrapping on the walls of the home, which allows the water to fall into that pipe.
As the water is pushed against the wall wrap, the water is shed down, and you notice how there's a bunch of dimples in this wall wrap, and it lets it breathe in between the house and the wall wrap.
In Broadview Heights, Jay Jarvis, News 5.
He also